Hello students, today we'll see the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, NCERT exercise 8.4, question number 5, the sum number 1. We need to prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta in division 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So let's solve this. Let's take the left hand side. Here on my left hand side is that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So I am going to write it cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So I need to prove it as a 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So I need to convert the function into the cos. So let's try to convert this thing into sin and cos. So we may reach to our destination. Let's try it. So cosec is a reciprocal of sin theta. So I can write like this 1 upon sin theta minus cot. Cot is a cos upon sin. So I can write cos theta upon sin theta whole bracket and square. Okay. Now we can see here there is a sign in denomination of the both. So we can take it a LCM. So 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square. Now I am rewriting the step like this. I am taking this square to the cos and to the sin. So 1 minus cos theta whole square and sin square theta. Okay. So I am having one identity with me for the sign. It is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? Is equal to 1. So if I use sin square theta from here, so it would be sin square theta is equal to 1 is there, and this cos will go to the right hand side. So minus cos square theta. So instead of the sin square theta, I am going to write 1 minus cos square theta. So here taking it there. Here 1 minus cos theta whole square. So it's twice. So I can write like 2 square is there. So I can write 2 into 2. So same wise I am going to write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta instead of the 1 minus cos square theta square. Okay. So I just did that thing only. And then for sin square theta, I am going to write 1 minus cos square theta. So I am having one other identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Where can we apply this identity? Yes, here. Here 1 is there, so 1 square is 1. So we can write like this. So a and b. So 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta by this identity. So now numerator as it is 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, and in denomination 1 minus cos 1 square minus cos square theta. So 1 time plus 1 time minus. So 1 minus cos theta, sorry, plus, and 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So what can we do now? We just remove we can nullify this 2. What is remaining? 1 minus cos theta, and in denomination 1 plus cos theta, which is my right hand side. Check it. Is it so? Yes, it is so.